Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I made these cute little candy shakers, and in a later video I will show you how I embellish them, which will probably be uploaded tomorrow or the next day. So I got these dies from KSCRAFT. I will leave a link down below. It came with all of these. They are different sizes. I'm going to use this big one because I like how it fits the sequins inside, and like I said, it comes with those other ones too in different sizes. I am using my Cuddle Bug. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment or DM me on Instagram. So I'm going to put this first layer in and cut it out. I am using some scrap paper that I have left over from PAIGE EVANS collection. This one is truly Grateful. Really pretty and nice colors. So this is going to be the bottom piece that you see, and I'm just going to cut that out real quick. These shakers are so much fun. Like, it's one of my favorite things to make, or shakers. Super excited. So that's what it looks like when it comes out. It has little indents in it. Can't really tell from the top, but they're definitely there. And now these are the little outside pieces to make it like a little candy swirl. And you can do these for like any holiday, really. You just have to do the colors. It's perfect. You can do like red and white for Christmas, or red and pink for Valentine's Day. Bright colors for summer, or pastels for spring. Ooh, orange and black for Halloween. That's gonna be fun. I'm excited. I love the holidays. So I'm just gonna set those aside. And now this is the outside ring. This one you want to do in the pattern paper that you want to be showing. And to make it a shaker, you're gonna wanna use either scrap paper or anything you have laying around. You can try foam, but like with this one, it's skinny, so I find it easier just to layer it with paper. And I'm just using a tack to push it out because sometimes it's hard to get. So I'm going to glue that one on the very top to hide the plain white that I'm using. And those are the layers of the plain white. And however thick you want it is however many you want to cut out. So I'm just using some scrap paper that I had left over that I printed some ephemera out on. And I'm gonna cut this out, I think I did 7 or 8, because I like it to be thick so they move around. And I just, put it on the paper as many as I can. So now you want to add your layers, but first I'm going to glue the top onto some acetate and let it dry using Barely Art glue. This is an amazing fast drying glue, and I'm going to cut this out later. So I'm just setting that aside so it can dry. So now I'm just going to stack all of these layers up, and I will be right back. So now that I'm done putting all of those layers on, this is what it looks like and how thick it is. It's great for the sequins to shake around, but not look too crazy thick. And now I'm going to cut this out. I just cut all the way around it. So now is the fun part. You get to pick out some sequins. These little heart shapes I got again from KSCRAFT. I'm just going to put those in. And the ones down on the left are from Cartwright. I will leave a link down below. I got a huge haul. I have a video if you'd like to see that. It kind of gives you an idea of the colors that I got if you were ever interested in buying. They're about $1.75 for this bag. So I'm just going to go through and pick out some colors and then glue out the top, and I will be back. So now that that is done, I'm going to put on the little swirl pieces and then pick out a little rhinestone for the middle. And I got those from KSCRAFT, you'll see. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for the embellishing video. They are amazingly cute. So yeah, any questions, let me know. I hope you have a great day and stay safe. Bye.